Pomegranate martinis are really easy to make, and this recipe is absolutely flawless. And in just 2 minutes, you'll have a gorgeous festive cocktail to enjoy. I'm Kelly Anthony. This is the Anthony Kitchen, and in this house, we are all about using great recipes and cocktail recipes to bring you and your people closer together. And as we all know, cocktails are totally worth gathering for. The first thing you're gonna do is fill a cocktail shaker with ice. To that, we're gonna add 1 ounce of citrus vodka. Then we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. Orange liqueur adds a subtle sweetness and some nice mellow vibes to the cocktail. Last but not least, some pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is very cranberry reminiscent, but it also has some forward cherry qualities to it. It's a really, really yummy flavor. Now we're gonna add a little fresh to the cocktail with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Just 1 small squeeze is all you need. Now you're just gonna secure the lid and give it a really good, vigorous shake for about 30 seconds. Just strain that martini right into the glass. Now to garnish it, I like to do a little lemon wheel, cut a slit right in there, pop it right on the side of the glass. And then if you want to be extra with it, give it a few more special holiday vibes, we'll just pop a rosemary sprig right down in there. And that's all there is to it. This is one seriously beautiful, smooth sipping cocktail, perfect for any special occasion. If y'all are on the hunt for more delicious cocktail recipes to try out, be sure to add our spiked mulled cider to the list. This cider is full of all those warm and cozy spices, plus a little spiced rum and some ginger liqueur. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to click that subscribe button before you go, and I'll catch you next time.